Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I will guide you how you can turn off the zoom on your Instagram profile picture. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Let's start. Open Instagram on your phone. Hit on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now press on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and enter on Who can see your content, then hit on Account Privacy. Here, if you see an option called Profile Picture Expansion, you can turn it off from there. Profile Picture Expansion is a setting that allows others to tap and zoom in on your profile picture. If you turn it off, people won't be able to enlarge your profile photo anymore. If you don't see this option, don't worry. Sometimes it's not available on Android or in some countries. Another way to stop zoom. Go back to your profile. Hit on Edit Profile, then tap on Change Profile Picture. Add a sticker on your picture, like a heart, star, or emoji. When you add a sticker, the zoom won't happen anymore. That's it. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more simple videos like this. Thanks for watching.